Hello, this is Cuckoo. Things that you should not do when your budgie laid eggs. First one, don't try to touch eggs with your bare hands. If you touch budgie's egg with your bare hands, it will feel insecure and it will break its own egg. Second thing, try to keep warm so that it helps eggs for good growth. Provide a proper nesting box. It should be attached to the outside of the cage. Third thing is very important. Provide more nutritious food like rice, leafy vegetables, fruits to the mommy budgie. And take care of your budgie.